Welcome back to the Macklen Electric Bike project. I'm going to show you the bits we've done since our last video. We've mounted the motor, and now it's a bit fiddly because we had to have the chain in a certain position so it would be tight enough. We got two 12-volt batteries off the internet, and we've wired them so we've got 24 volts.
Cool.
They fit nicely into the frame, and there's a strap here so they don't fall out. We've got an electronic controller with a couple of wires here that we need to connect. We put the electronic controller in the frame, and I'll talk you through the connections that we need to make. First off, these are the positive and negative wires from our battery. These two wires go down to the motor and they're connected to the controller. These three wires are connected to the throttle, so when we twist it, the controller knows how much power to put through to the motor. These two little blue wires are the ones that connect to this switch to turn the bike on and off. And finally, we've got a fuse from our main power supply from the battery. The fuse should protect the controller if the motor tries to draw too much power. I'm going to turn the bike on for the first time. I'm going to twist the key and turn the throttle, see if it works. It works. I think we should try it out. Testing time. Roll. We've added a brake and we just built out of the old parts from the BMX. The aim of this project was to get this bike up and running, and I think that was a success.